Hi, this is Corey from the Restoration Contractors Library, and today we're going to be sharing a little bit of knowledge. We're going to be reviewing the Sky Diamonds University by Lee Height to see if it's going to be a good fit for what you're looking for with your roofing company, or restoration company, or solar company. All right, you guys, here we go. So the way that Lee built his training platform is with the Lightspeed virtual training system, and it's really cool because you can have all your different training systems set up into categories, and you can have testing on them, and you can assign certain training things to one person and not others.
Sky Diamonds University is the #1 contractor sales and business training program that'll help you accelerate through this business and multiply your income. You're going to learn how to get your mind right, overcome objections, and do what it takes to build a multi-million-dollar business in an ever-changing marketplace. Select Chapter 1 to get started. Overcoming objections at the doorstep is critical to your success. Here are the everyday objections you'll hear and how to handle them. Okay, you now know how to handle the common objections, but how should you handle the really tense situations? Get started with Chapter 1 to find out how. You don't need to put any pressure on your prospects to close if you build trust. Demonstrate your expertise and provide added value. Here's all you need to know about educating your prospects while providing maximum value and setting yourself up for a successful close. Here's all you need to know about tile and flat roofs. All good information for when you're going after commercial deals. Doing your research and prospecting in the right places will give you a step in the right direction and a leg up on building the important relationships that'll help you close more commercial deals. In this chapter, we're going to go over how to present your solution with your client to build certainty in the close. The first step is to figure out how to show, not tell. How to get your stories aligned in a way that closes, to use pictures and notes to tell a story that others can't. We're going to give them options to tell the pros and cons of multiple solutions, and we're going to make it us versus them. After we're done with that, we're going to find creative pursuit angles, stack massive value, and show individual worth. We need to break down the false beliefs with case studies and show them the cost of not doing business with us. Most importantly, I have one final technique, the reference-less close, that will help you in the event of an unsure client. This is the most important course in Sky Diamonds University. The major keys to developing a hardcore door-to-door mindset. We're going to talk about setting your goals, understanding the consequences of your actions, and how to remove a limiting belief system. This is a step-by-step process to starting your day on the right foot so that you can achieve your full potential. Get your mind in the right place to dominate every day. Be smart, move fast, and be relentless. That's what you need to do to be successful in roofing restoration sales. That means being a wolf, not a sheep. Sunshine, hail, and hurricanes. There's a few reasons why Florida is a great place for your roofing restoration business. This course gives you insights and best practices straight from the Florida experts. All right, it's time to review everything you've learned and put it to the test. In this course, you'll get a brief review of what you've learned about becoming a certified roofing professional, and you'll take your test.
You are about to get trained up on how to overcome objections at the doorstep. This is the easiest sell in America. Why is that, Hammer?
2022, guys, right now, the things that are coming out of the sky are ridiculous. So these homeowners want new roofs, but it's your job to create the problem so we can create the solution.
And the problem starts with hidden damage. Look, hail, wind, it damages roofs. They may qualify for the roofs being paid for by the insurance company. I'd say the number one thing going to the doorstep is your state of mind. How can they prepare in the right state of mind going to the door?
Guys, just get in state, man. You know what you do? You start out with positive affirmations. You tell yourself you're the best. You watch the university, because by watching the university, by osmosis, you're going to learn faster, quicker. You're going to get over those objections. You're going to get over those rebuttals. And one of the best things about Sky Diamonds is we're updating those videos right now, guys, to 2022. Everyone else has videos from 1979. This is 2022, guys, and I think you deserve the update. So watch and learn.
Here we go, guys. We're going to get into the first insurance door-to-door objections. Let's go.
Let's go. Hey, buddy, how are you?
Hey, what's up?
What's up, man? My name is Mike Martinez. I'm actually with Skydiamond University.
Hey, man, appreciate it. I got a baby in the back. I don't think I have damage.
Okay, now that you've gotten to see the actual program and what's behind the curtain, how it's laid out, everything that's in there for the training, the documents, things like that, hopefully now you can see what it is and see if it's going to be a good fit for you, which is exactly why I do these reviews, so you're not wasting money on programs that aren't what you're looking for. Okay, so to go over this and how I rated it, the first category is the ease of use up here, and I give that a 10. It's very easy to use, and they did it. The next category is the platform that's used, and the next it's Lightspeed, and the Lightspeed platform is absolutely fantastic for the people that are setting it up, maintaining it, as well as the end user, to be able to have questions at the end and not let you through to the next chapter or video. It's fantastic. That's all I'm going to say about it. The next category over here we have is the cost, and I honestly can't remember how much it cost. I remember that it's not cheap. It's considerably more than a lot of the other ones. But if it's what you're looking for, the value is going to be fantastic. Let's see. The next category is residential sales training. Yeah, they focus on it really hard. It takes you all the way from the beginning of this career with residential up through commercial. And there's not a lot of commercial training out there. So it's definitely one of the programs that if you're looking to take people up through the commercial and into the commercial world, it does it. It may be your best option out there. Sales management training, no, not really. It's focused on the sales platform. D2D, door to door, absolutely. They have a bunch of training on that. So if you're going to be having door knockers, they definitely address that. Roof and property inspection training, absolutely. They've got videos and training on that. Once again, I think there's a couple other ones out there that may be a little bit better, but it's there and it's good. Office manager, production manager, QC recruiting, things like that. No, once again, they focus primarily on the sales and the sales staff, so not really. The next category here, where are we at? We are at the marketing training. Yeah, he does have some stuff in there about marketing, videos, things like that, and it's good. Okay, I'm just going to tell you it's good for what it is. There are other platforms out there that are more in-depth for specific types of marketing, but it's there and it's good and it's included in the package. Next category is Xactimate estimating and supplementing. No, it's once again focused on sales. And let's see, contracts and forms. Yeah, they have their own little vault, and there's some great documents in there for, oh gosh, all kinds of stuff. I forget. I'm trying to blank on what else in there, but yeah, it's there, and there's a bunch of documents that you could probably use. Study time. Gosh, there's a lot 40 hours plus. I find myself going back and rewatching videos all the time and doing refreshers, things like that. Let's see. Engagement. Is it boring or energizing? No, it's training. It's he does a little bit, some of it's a little interesting. You're not going to be falling asleep during it, but I'm going to give it an 8. Is it for beginners, intermediate, or advanced? It goes all the way. It goes from the very green beginner person all the way up through commercial $1 million sales, things like that. Is there certification? Yes, there is. There's testing all the way through. The rating versus, how is it with the value? Is it worth it? Yeah, I mean, if you've got the money and this is what you are looking for, then absolutely. Once again, that's why we do this. We do this so that, if you're going to be spending a bunch of money, you want to make sure that it has everything in there that is what you're looking for and you're not wasting your money. Great value. Real simple. The link to the video review, I'll put that in there a little bit later. My notes. The Sky Diamonds University is not a small investment. It does, however, provide a wealth of knowledge focusing primarily on sales and appears to be updated and expanding with new content for 2022. I was very pleased when I looked at it again today and saw that there was a bunch of solar stuff in there now and updated information on knocking and things like that. It's really good. If this is what you're looking for and you can afford the price tag, I honestly feel that you won't be disappointed. 5 stars. If it's what you're looking for, buy it. All right, you guys, have a great day. Bye.